Were you ever taught that debt was bad? Most of us haven't. In this video, what I'm going to do is talk about why debt is a good thing. So stay tuned. Planet Green Zen, inspiring the everyday person to break free from the mundane and take action. Now I know what you guys are thinking. Greg, there's no such thing as good debt. You're crazy. Now, I did cover this in another video, so I want you guys to just go check out every video on my channel and help get yourself unplugged from the matrix. Now go do it now, or after this video. What I actually mean by the title of the video is, if you use debt as a business lever versus personal, then it's good as far as financing business items and assets, then that's when it can be good. Here is why. Now I'm going to maybe show you guys a few different slides just to kind of make it look visually so you can see it in your mind. So I'm gonna cut to just some quick slides to show you guys what I mean. Now, let's say you take out $50,000 at 6% APR, which stands for annual percentage rating, which means you get charged 6% over 12 months. It's not 6% per month, but if you divide 6 by 12, that's how much you're charged per month with interest. So let's say you take out a $50,000 loan at 6% for 5 years. Then you went to buy a mortgage note, let's say at 12% per year for 5 years. Let's go ahead and do the math on that. So $50,000 at 6% per year for 5 years would equal $57,998.40. That's what you would end up paying back to a bank or private lender. You would have a total interest payment of $7,998.40. This will come out to a monthly payment of $966.64. Now, this may not be making a lot of sense to you guys just yet, but bear with me. Let's say you take $50,000 loan and use it to buy a mortgage note that pays you 12% interest per year. Now you are the bank. Do you see how this can start to get a little bit interesting? You would end up with $66,733.20 after the note is paid off in full in 5 years. You'd receive a monthly payment of $1,112.22. Alrighty guys, I'm trying to prove a point here, just bear with me. Now wait. Some of you may be asking, well, what about the original loan from the bank? Don't you have to pay that off first before you can get this as like profit? Yes, and that's where I'm getting to. Just for a moment here, let's say the original loan that you had from the bank, remember that? You actually owed $57,000 on that. You took out a $50,000 loan with interest about $57,000. And then you just made $66,000 from your mortgage note that you had. So which leaves you with the total of, you take $66,000 minus $57,000, because again, you do have to pay back the bank. That leaves you with $8,734.80 that you get to keep for yourself after you pay back the bank and all the interest. You see how exciting it's getting and why I get pumped up and fired up about changing your mindset and financially educating yourself? Now take this guys, you use someone else's money, which is called OPM, other people's money, to buy something that paid you, and you actually ended up earning money. So you use OPM, which is the bank's money, a $50,000 loan, it's not yours. You took it to buy something that actually pays you monthly, and actually gives you a higher percentage rating than what the bank is charging. So once all said and done, you pay back the bank and you're actually left with money in your pocket that you can actually keep to investing, so you can keep growing that nest egg and that asset. Now again guys, this was just a simple example, but imagine if you start to just learn and educate yourself little by little and start to take action on each one of those points that you learn, you can actually start to build a nest egg. It gets bigger and bigger and bigger, and then it gets easier over time because you're starting to learn what was not taught in school. Well, I didn't want to take too much of your guys' time with this video. I just wanted to kind of just do a really quick one just to kind of show you what's possible out there. Again, everything starts in the mind. Once you start to change your mindset, you start to attract different results in your life, and those results can lead to different situations and happiness. You get more abundant, more freedom, more wisdom, more education, more inspiration, and then you want to actually pass that on to other people because you changed your life. Now you want to help change other people's lives, and that's what the point of this was, to give you a visual of very small, something that can actually happen that I'm doing right now. But again, I wanted to show you that. I want to leave you guys with a quote. I'm not sure where this is by, but it goes, wrinkles means that you laughed, gray hair means that you cared, and scars means that you lived. Okay? Well, this is Greg with Planet Green Zen. If you guys like this content, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification so you know when new videos are coming out. comment below, let me know your thoughts or what other topics you'd like for me to cover, whether inspiration or some type of financial education, and share this with people in your community who needs to hear these videos, okay? So Greg with Planet Green Zen, you guys have a great day. Take care.